And this is the pattern that I got. Oh, I'm so loud. Let's start again. Hey friends, welcome to my channel, Adia Sherelle. Today I will be showing you these knotless jumbo short braids with curly ends, coming curly soon. But anyway, so let's get right into it. For this hairstyle, you're going to need curly crochet hair. I use the brand Yep, I use the brand Zuri. I wanted to make sure I said the right name. I use the brand Zuri, and I used their rod set, and I got it in the color 27, and I got it in the color 2. Okay, so this is like the texture of the hair. Very cute. And then I just used regular braiding synthetic hair in the same color. So you guys already know what 1B looks like, but this is, it was something different. This is the BT30/27, and it was really cute. It had like I don't know, it had low lights and highlights. So I was like, I need this in my life. This is a very quick hairstyle. It didn't take me that much time at all. It's very Cali. Oh my gosh, I'm thinking TikToks now. That's really sad. Anyway, so make sure you stay tuned. And do not forget to subscribe to the tribe. Alright, so I have already parted my hair. Got one row here starting right at the top of the ear, and then the front starts right at the temple. So let's get started. Okay, so let me show you how to do this. You want to start off by putting in whatever hold product you have. I'm using Ebin Edge Tamer, so I'm putting on a good amount. So I'm going to go in with the blonde hair, okay? About that size each time. You want to start your braid and split it into 3 sections like so, okay? And you want to grab the outside edge, okay? Make sure that's all smoothed out. And again, you bring in the outside edge, okay? And then take your hair and grip it right, scoop it right under, okay? It's right, I put it right under my index finger, and you continue to braid. Again, scoop another piece under. We got a thicker piece, and put it under the braid. Alright. Then we're going to do one more piece for good measure. Okay, and continue with the braid. Actually, still seems a little thin. I'm just going to add a little bit more hair. Scoop it under. And braid it on down. Like so. And when you braid it down far enough, you want to take your curly piece of hair. Let me see. And see kind of where it falls. So now I need to braid it down a little bit more. Okay. Take your curl, split it open, and then just connect one strand to the outside, one strand to the inside, and continue the braid. Like so. Okay. Okay, and there you have it. And then just cut out the straight hair. So I found it. Just gonna snip that off. Snip, snip. And there you have it. But yeah, if you're a 4C like me and you didn't like press out your hair or blow dry it super straight, you know, it's gonna have a little texture to it, and that's okay. So splitting my hair into 3 again. Okay. And once I get that rotation, just grab a piece of hair, scoop it under the index finger that's holding the other piece. You see it there. Gripping on it for dear life. And then continue with the braid until you get a piece that doesn't have any hair attached. Grab some hair, the extension, put it up under to meet up with the index finger. Join the front 2 pieces together, the extension hair and your hair, and continue with the braid, my dear. More thin piece. Okay. People always ask, do your arms get tired? No, because after some point I bring them down and they're like propped up on my boobs. Little piece is a little thin, so I'm just going to borrow some hair, literally just borrow some hair and join it over, and then just continue to braid. So now that I have a part straight down the middle, I'm going to do 3 braids on this side and then 3 braids on this side. Y'all, I'm already feeling this hairstyle. Okay, so I'm going to make this front one, I'm going to do the part like this. Okay, I am back. She's done. Anyway, no. I'm not done. I wish I was. And you want to pay attention to the thickness of your own hair. My hair at the top is a little more full, I feel, than the rest of my hair. So you may not have to add as much hair to the parts that are more full. So you can like feel the thickness in between your fingers. It's really, you have to be one with your hair. So I think with this, I'm going to start off with the black and then, yeah, add a little blonde to the end. That's what I think I'm going to do. Okay, let's do it. So I'm just adding some blonde braiding hair. Add some mousse. I'm just using my Lotta Body mousse, and I'm just gonna like twirl it so it could clump together, as you can see. Y'all, just get into these braids. I love them. I just love them. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, Adia Sherelle, and you can also follow me on Instagram at Adia_Sherelle. I'm on the ticks of the talks of the tickety talk until it don't stop. Yeah, freestyle. Y'all didn't know that, but now you know. No, I don't. I'm actually really terrible, so. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, make sure you leave it down below. I will be checking on them, checking up on you. Who gonna check you, boo? Me. I make sure that I respond right away, and I just like to have conversations in community about natural hair. Until next time, bye.